Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to integrate JVZoo and AWeber to your email list. It's very easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, you'll need a Zapier account, which helps connect JVZoo and AWeber together. Once you're logged in, go to your Zapier dashboard, click on Create, and then choose Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you ever feel stuck, the Copilot feature inside Zapier can help guide you through the process. Next, choose both JVZoo and AWeber from the available app list. Fill in all the required details shown on the right side of your screen. Now go back to JVZoo and log into your account. Click on the Sign In button, enter your API key, and continue. Repeat this process to connect your AWeber account. If you've already connected it before, you can skip this part. Otherwise, click Select, sign in with your Gmail address and password, and then click Allow to connect. Once both accounts are connected, configure your settings as you need. When everything looks good, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. Your JVZoo and AWeber accounts are now integrated and ready to automate your processes. Thanks for watching.